Hey guys, it's Ashley, and for today's video I created this look with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I wanted to go for a fall but like colorful look, and this is what I came up with. It was one of the simplest but easiest looks to recreate, and I just used the Huda Beauty palette that I just showed and this Kat Von D palette, the Shade and Light. I just used the black in there to do the black eyeshadow on here. But yeah, this is the look, and I'm just gonna jump into the video. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did my eyebrows off camera, and what I used for my eyebrows is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Brow Mousse, and I have it in the color medium brown. And for my foundation, which I'm gonna do right after this, is gonna be the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation, and I have it in the color 209 or caramel beige. And then after that I'm just going to contour with the Anastasia kit, and yeah. Okay, so I just finished my face and now I'm gonna start with the eye makeup, and I'm gonna be using the Huda Desert Dusk palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Blazing and Amber, which is these two. So now I'm gonna go in with the color Amethyst, which is this purple right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the black in the Shade and Light palette. So now I'm just gonna line my eyes with black eyeliner and I'm gonna put my lashes on, and then after that I'll take it to the next step. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes, and now I'm just gonna line my lips and put on lipstick. And what I'm using to line my lips is the Palladio waterproof lip liner in the color Nearly Nude. And for lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Clay Crush, which is this one. And that didn't zoom in. Alright guys, I hope that was simple to follow along with if you guys wanted to recreate this look on yourselves. I really love this palette and I recommend it to all of you guys if you guys wanted to buy a new palette. It's really nice and it has really good pigmentation on all the colors. And again, it was the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette.
Huda huda!
So I'm just gonna end this video here.
End it, girl.
And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!